Hi everyone, this is Judy from University of Tennessee Hodges Library. In this video, I'm going to show you a database called Statista. Statista is a statistics portal providing you access to data from national and international market research institutes. In the database, you will find statistics and reports from over 600 business categories from over 18,000 sources. Now, it's impossible for a library have everything. So some databases only sell it to corporate firms, special libraries that we don't have. So through Statista, you are able to access some of the data from those databases that we cannot afford to buy it, to purchase it, or they don't sell it to academic libraries. How to access Statista in our subscription? You go to Quick Links, Articles and Databases, and type in Statista. And click on Search. Okay, click on Statista here. And off campus, you type in your net ID and your password. Now, once you click on that, you will see Welcome University of Tennessee, Knoxville. We have the full subscription to Statista. If you go straight to statista.com, they have a freebie site. So when you graduate, if you don't have access to our database, you still can go to Statista to download some of the data. But a lot of reports produced by Statista called the dossiers, you may not able to download those dossiers because unless you pay for a fee, around $365 per dossier. So right now I'm on the full subscription and I'm going to do a search. You can browse by click on each tab and click on that and look into what this database provide. And right now I'm going to do a search. For example, I want to see check this database, what data they have for academy. Okay, so once you click on that, it shows what they have in article in a listing. And if I say I want to see number of viewers from 2014 to 2017, you can click on that. You can download the data in a picture format or a PDF or Excel file or PowerPoint. And give you the data. And it will tell you where the source coming from. It's from Nielsen. Another one is from Variety. Nielsen is a company provide a lot of databases, particular on TV viewing or radio viewing, those survey, but quite expensive. So we don't have this database, but here provide you portal to access to some of the data. If you are doing a research topic on Academy of Country Music Awards. Now, also check further down and it will give you some see also. Okay, so also include other countries. And then further down, see whether there's anything statistics. You can also check, oh, there's something about tweet, influence of tweet on TV rating in 2013. You can click on that and look at that. And they also have some studies. And if I say, okay, I want to see the Academy Awards. So you click on this one, will give you a dossier, and you can download the dossier. See here, if you go to the freebie site, this database freebie site just go straight to the internet. The machine will, the system will ask you for 365 for the report, but you are through the Tennessee Hodges Libraries subscription, because you already pay for the technology fee, so you have access right to what we have subscribed to the database. So you simply can download this. And then I would also here will give you the information here. If you say, okay, I want to see one best picture, all this 1990 to 2018, all the best picture from what film studio. Then you click on that, it will say who actually have 4 pictures award in all these years. And you say, okay, I want to know the 2018, the Oscar nomination, the most nomination, Oscar nomination, who are the actors, and then you will see the names and the data about that. And the data is from ACM networks. Okay, so this database is not difficult to navigate. It's very easy. What you see, what you get. The only thing is when you search, it's just like doing a Google search. The problem is this one does not give you the features to search by subject or search by a Boolean operator. So sometimes you can, you can browse by topic like Statista, statistics, reports, consumer market. If you are doing a project on tobacco products, you can click on that and see what they have, and then do a search within this tobacco products section. Okay, so so my video stop here. As usual, that if you have any question, email me. And you can also contact the reference desk, check if you have a quick question. You can contact the reference desk, check with the general librarian. And you have any research question, email me. We can also set up an individual research consultation. Thank you for your time.